Sometimes you may find solutions marked as 5% solution, 20% solution, or 12% solution. So what does it mean? 5% solution means 5 gram in 100 gram of the solution. That is, 5 gram of the solute is dissolved or present in 100 gram of the solution. Now suppose if you have a solution marked as 20% solution, it means 20 gram of the solute is dissolved or present in 100 gram of the solution. Similarly, 12% solution means 12 gram of the solute present in 100 gram of the solution. Now let us see how to prepare a solution of a particular concentration which is expressed in mass by mass percentage. Suppose that we have to prepare a 5% sodium chloride solution. Here sodium chloride is the solute and water is the solvent. Now 5% solution means 5 gram of the solute, that is sodium chloride, is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. So what is the mass of the solute? It is equal to 5 gram. What is the mass of the solution? It is equal to 100 gram. So how can you find the mass of solvent? You are given the mass of solution and you know the mass of solute. So how can you calculate the mass of solvent? Mass of solution minus mass of solute. So here in this case 100 minus 5. That will give you 95 gram. So 95 gram is the mass of the solvent. So to prepare 5% sodium chloride solution, you should take 5 gram of sodium chloride and add 95 ml of water. 95 ml of water has a mass equal to 95 gram. So take 5 gram of sodium chloride and add 95 gram or 95 ml of water to it. You will get 5% sodium chloride solution. Let us see how to prepare 20% sodium chloride solution. 20% means 20 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of the solution. Here the solvent used is water. Mass of sodium chloride is equal to 20 gram. What is the mass of the solution? It is equal to 100 gram. So how can you calculate the mass of the solvent, that is water? It is equal to 100 minus 20, which is equal to 80 gram. Therefore, by dissolving 20 gram of sodium chloride in 80 gram or 80 ml of water, we can get 20% sodium chloride solution. Let us try to solve another question. A solution is prepared by mixing 15 gram of sodium carbonate and 235 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of the solution. How can you calculate the mass by mass percentage? According to the formula, mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. Mass of the solute is given in the question. It is equal to 15 gram. But the mass of the solution is not given. It is the mass of solvent which is given in the question. And what is the mass of the solvent equal to? 235 gram. So how can you calculate or get the mass of the solution? Mass of solvent plus mass of solute. So 15 plus 235. So that gives you the mass of solution as equal to 250 gram. Now substitute in the formula. You will then get 15 by 250 into 100, which is equal to 6%. Another method to express the concentration of a solution is mass by volume percent. It describes the mass of the solute in grams per 100 ml of the solution. The mass of the solute is expressed in grams and the volume of the solution is expressed in milliliters. So mass by volume percent is equal to mass of the solute in grams divided by volume of the solution in milliliters into 100. Let us try to solve this question. What is the question given? Calculate the mass by volume percent for 39 gram of sucrose in 355 milliliter of a carbonated drink. Mass by volume percentage is equal to mass of the solute by volume of the solution into 100. That is 39 divided by 355 into 100, which is equal to 10.98 percentage, or it is nearly equal to 11 percentage. How can you do the calculation? 39 by 355 into 100, it will be equal to 3900 divided by 355. When you do the calculation, you will get the answer as equal to 10.9 percentage. So it can be taken as nearly equal to 11 percentage. You might have heard about saline drip given to patients. What is saline drip? It is actually 0.9 percentage sodium chloride solution. 0.9 percentage sodium chloride solution means 0.9 gram of sodium chloride dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Another question is given. The question is, many people use a solution of trisodium phosphate to clean walls before putting up wallpaper. The recommended concentration is 1.7 percentage, that is mass by volume percentage. What mass of trisodium phosphate is needed to make 2 liter solution? So mass by volume percentage is given, which is equal to 1.7 percentage. The volume of the solution is also given. It is given in liters. You should convert it to milliliters. 2 liter will be equal to 2000 milliliters. What you have to calculate is the mass of trisodium phosphate, or here in this question you have to calculate the mass of the solute. Mass by volume percentage is equal to mass of the solute by volume of the solution into 100. That is 1.7 is equal to mass by 2000 into 100, or we get 1.7 is equal to m by 20, or what is mass equal to 1.7 into 20, which is equal to 34 gram.